welcome to this vlog, you guys. Join me. We are running errands this afternoon. I just went back to the tile store. If you guys remember that whole situation, I was like, oh, this will be so quick and easy to pick out backsplash tile for our kitchen. Not quick and easy, so overwhelming, way too many options, and I've decided we just need to put more thought into it, look at more inspo, really think about it. I'll have to go back. Yeah, tabling that for now. It's not like urgent. But yeah, now I just pulled up to CVS because I need to grab some things and like my birth control and stuff. And then I think we're gonna do something so fun because I have been feeling the fall vibes, but I also haven't because I haven't really had like any of the Starbucks fall drinks. I think I had a pumpkin cream cold brew like once. So I wanna get one of those, maybe like a little treat. And maybe a small one because I don't want to like be up all night. I've been staying up so late because I've been asleep. So I probably shouldn't get like a big cold brew in the afternoon. Yeah, that's what's up. I'm prepping today and yesterday, the day before, all week. I've been so excited for my girls' weekend. That is gonna be, I said that's gonna be tomorrow. All the girls are coming tomorrow. Lucy might actually come tonight now, which I'm so excited. But I was like prepping everyone's guest rooms yesterday. I made like a whole TikTok about it and got stuff for like a cheese board and like a pumpkin loaf and whatnot. So that'll be so fun. But yes, today's like prep, get all my things in order, clean, yada yada, so that I'm good when they get here. Because I hate when I have people come and I'm like, oh, this is a mess. I'm worrying about this work thing that I didn't do. You know what I mean? So yes. Also, I just opened up the coziest set. Isn't this so cute? It's Aviator Nation. I'll show you guys when I get home, like in the mirror. Also opened up these yesterday. But in my fall shopping era, the Taz. That is a stretch in the hip flexor. Wowza. The Taz UGG little slipper boot things. And I'm loving them. So yes, okay, I should probably stop chatting and run into CVS. Okay, my things. Okay, low acquired. I was gonna say birth control, you guys know I'm on the low. Anyway, we're just really open here. But the most exciting thing, while I was in there, I was getting like a pop-up notification from Apple. I was getting a phone call and I was in the line for the prescription. It was about to be my turn. I'm like, wait, I gotta take this call. And I'm all excited because I can't remember, or no, maybe I did in my last vlog mention briefly how my computer like died out of nowhere, or it was just like frozen with the Apple and we tried everything. It was just all messed up and it needed to be fixed in person. And now I'm really having deja vu because this morning what you guys missed is I just had a morning with Brody to go on a walk. Recorded my podcast. I was talking all about my computer, how many issues it was, and I'm like, I literally need it back ASAP. Like I need to like edit my YouTube videos and post, like I got stuff to do. And it was over 48 hours ago, like over 2 days ago that I dropped it off. And they're like, oh, we think it'll be 48 hours maximum. Like we might even call you tomorrow. I'm like, please, I need this. And then it's over 48 hours. So then a couple hours ago I called. I'm like, how are we looking? And they're like, we're just waiting for all your data to like come back on. Like we'll call you later today. Probably, hopefully, if not tomorrow. And he just called me. I was in there and he was like, I need the code that you're getting to the Apple because I need to sign back into the Apple ID for you. It's been like a whole thing. And he's like, we're looking good. It was like a whole freaking process, you guys. Be careful. Learn from my mistake. Don't do what I did. Long story short, it seems like update your computer whenever that pops up. I was not getting like a pop-up like, hey, you should do this update, because I feel like I would before and I'd always do it. But maybe like check for updates even if you're not getting that. I wish I did that. And also make sure that you have enough storage for the update, or else I think that's what happened to me, which I should not have that much storage. And he's like, you had a lot of like system data in there, like gunking it up, like you don't actually have that much stuff, but your like memory thought it was full. So then the update tried to update and there like wasn't room for it, and it just got all messed up and crashed and frozen, and we had to take it all off, move it to another Mac, move that to a hard drive, not unencrypt your disk. I'm like, oh my gosh, I can't even follow. But they fixed it, it seems. And so knock on wood, I'm gonna go over there right now. He's like, could you come tonight? I'm here for another couple hours. I'm like, oh buddy, I'm getting my coffee and I'm on my way. So do we have time to get coffee? Yeah, we're gonna pick up the coffee and then we're gonna go get my computer. I'm so excited. It's been such a nightmare without my computer trying to do things. So you don't realize how much you rely on something until it's gone. No. You guys, I try to do something nice for myself after having a rough morning. I feel like everything's going wrong with my laptop. Everything's breaking. And this freaking happens the second after I put on my new sweat set. Oh, the world was like, just when you thought things are going your way, your computer's fixed. Nope. Your coffee's gonna explode on your white sweat set. Honestly, whatever. I feel like it'll come out. I'll just wash it right when I get home. How freaking annoying. This not right now. I have places to be. This is very delicious, I will say. So you win some, you lose some. I feel like I've heard the phrase, you win some, you lose most. Maybe just one of my friends said that. I didn't eat this. This was really good. Maybe this will make me feel better. A little something something. Pumpkin. Oh, I was gonna say, what's CC? Pumpkin CC muffin. Muffin. Pumpkin cream cheese muffin. Okay, let's do a mukbang. No, you guys hate that. You guys hate when I eat on the vlog. Can I not? I'm feeling unhinged right now. It's probably from a couple of sips of my coffee. I mean, that is delicious. All right, wrap it up. Gretchen, we got places to go. Third person. Everyone cross your fingers. My laptop is good. I just realized I wouldn't care if I spill. I'll just wash it when I get home. I have to go to Best Buy now with a coffee stand on my sweat. That is so embarrassing. I'm so mad at you, pumpkin cream cold bro. We're in a fight. Whatever. He'll get it. He'll understand. Yay! Almost back to my laptop. Woo! I don't even think he noticed my coffee stains, the guy. Luckily, they're kind of fading as they're drying. I'm so happy right now. I'll never take you for granted ever again. And I just think it's so funny. Thinking about, like, some people probably have the craziest stuff on their computer and they're like digging through all that. He's like, oh yeah, this one folder's like loading pretty slowly from the cloud. And it's like my podcast episodes. I'm like, do they ever click on any of this and are like looking at their people's stuff? Like they probably either realize like, okay, she does social media, that I have like a podcast folder, a like business, tax info, home mortgage, like I have all these folders in there. Like, I wonder if they probably can't, but like, I don't know. They probably see so much in there going through people's computers. Oh my gosh, I had like so many screenshots of like fall outfit inspo on my desktop. Oh man, I'm so happy I have that back. Also, this is the most me thing ever, where pretty much, I think it was 3 years ago, actually for my podcast, I was recording with my mom and I sat down, spilled my red wine all over my computer, immediately dead, and had to go to Best Buy the next day, and they're like, yeah, no, this is toast. Had to completely buy a new one. Got the new one with Apple Care. Apple Care expired a couple months ago because it was a little over 3 years ago now. And luckily, apparently at that time, I also got this Best Buy Total Care thing I didn't know I got. And I actually, a couple months ago, was like, I'm getting this weird recurring charge from Best Buy. It's like $200 something a year, I think. I'm like, what is this? I need to cancel. I need to like reach out to them. And I remember last time I was in here, I asked and he was like, no, it's a good thing. Like, keep it, like it protects all your things. So I think to fix my computer, it would have been a lot more, and it was all covered from that thing I've been paying for. So I mean, that kind of worked out well. That was lucky that I had that. Okay, I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna go home very carefully with my coffee. Back home, now I can show you the whole fit. Someone's excited I'm back. So, love this little set. It's so cute. Hopefully this little coffee stain comes out. I feel like it definitely will. Thank you for bringing me a duck. Does anyone else's pet always have to bring them something when they get home? Is it just a golden thing? No, my mom's golden doodle does it too. Maybe just a dog thing in general? I don't know. He always has to bring me a gift and run around. But I can link the set for you guys in the description. Got it on Revolve. Same with the Taz slippers. I love them. I love that everyone's decided these are socially acceptable to wear in public. So comfy, in my comfiest state. Okay, now's the perfect time to shout out the sponsor of this video. Thank you so much, Base, for working with me on this video, because guess what I did yesterday? Filled this puppy to the freaking brim. It's so heavy right now. Guess what's in here? Clothes for all my girlfriends to look through, which is funny that I did this, but I felt like I had nowhere to put them and I just wanted them in one spot to be organized. So I literally went through all my clothes and filled this thing full because I want my friends to be able to look through my clothes. That is like my go-to, like my process whenever I'm going through my clothes is have my girlfriends look through them, because luckily we're pretty much the same size. Like my friend Amy, for example, will be like, yes, perfect, I need a new black jeans, and we always fit into the exact same clothes. Lucy is obviously my twin sister. She looks through my clothes, Max's sister, and then after that I will donate. I will post on Poshmark sometimes. So yes, anyway, this is just a nice for organizing right now. But obviously I typically use my Base luggage for traveling. They're the best suitcases ever. So I'm using it in a non-conventional way right now, but I'm really about to pack up all my Base suitcases when Brody and I move for the hockey season and join Max wherever he ends up this hockey season, since it's still in preseason, you guys know, blah blah blah. But this is the medium size check-in bag, the smaller the two check bag sizes they have. I have the large and I love it, don't get me wrong, it's just really big, so sometimes when I was traveling I felt like if I didn't want to bring that much stuff it would like move around in there, whatever. whatever. So I actually recommend the medium size check-in because it's still a check bag that you can definitely make 50 pounds, trust me, but that way your stuff isn't like moving around in there as much. I'd rather it all be like compact, if that makes sense. So this is my most recent purchase. Base suitcase. I actually bought all my base suitcases on my own. I just think they're the best investment. They're really high quality. They're so chic. It's Shay Mitchell's brand, if you guys didn't know that. I love her. She's so chic and beautiful, and so is her luggage. She thinks of everything. It has the little squishy handle right here, which is really comfy. The 360-degree gliding wheels. Like, look at this thing. It's so heavy and full right now, and it just like spins around so easily. It makes the airport way more convenient and just manageable. Also, there's a built-in weight indicator on the side, so when you pick this up from the side, it'll turn red if it's over 50 pounds, which is so helpful. Yeah, they really thought of everything. Again, this is the medium check-in. I still have the stickers. I literally just took off the tags the other day. Like, I just ordered that. And then I also grabbed my carry-on as well. I would say start with this one if you guys want to try them out, and you'll be hooked, and you'll be ordering every size like me because it's just the best carry-on, and you always need a good carry-on. Their weekender bag on top. I love my weekender bag as well, so they're just the best. To talk about them all day long. I believe my link for them is the same, so if you guys want to try to base suitcase, you can use my discount link if you go to basetravel.com/Gretchen. I believe you'll get 15% off your first purchase. basetravel.com/Gretchen for 15% off. You know, I'm probably gonna fill this up with more clothes for my girlfriends too, because I feel like I have more for them as well. It's the next day, and as you saw, Lucy and I did a little morning bar class together, and I didn't even film anything else last night. We just watched Max's hockey game on TV, and like that was pretty much it. Now we're like running around, cleaning, tidying, prepping for everyone to get here this afternoon, and I'm gonna do something right now that I have been meaning to get to, a little house project, if you will. I don't know how safe this is. I have my camera on my like towel bar right now. Okay, so I've got this cute little starfish print that I got at Home Goods. I actually got a bunch of other ones to put in my bathroom downstairs. I haven't really seen how that'll look yet. Now I don't know if we'll get to it because we have so many other things to do. I wanted to hang all of these before everyone got here, but I thought this would just feel a lot cuter up here, right? Like adorable. And I still want to do wallpaper up in here, but obviously that has not happened yet. So we are just gonna eyeball this. Like, do I center it like on the wall? No, I feel like it just needs to go over the toilet, like centered above the toilet. But you know how girls hang things. Like, yes, I could measure and level and whatever, but it's gonna be fine. So I think I'm just gonna like eyeball it. Oh frick, how high do we? I don't know. I need Lucy. I feel like you want it close to like items, but I don't know, making sense. Like when you hang something over like a dresser, you want it to be close to the dresser, close to the bed frame, like that kind of thing. But the toilet's so low, I don't know. I'm just gonna eyeball it. I think this is good, kind of like eye level. Can always move it, right? I hate it. Perfect. Oh. Okay. We are just gonna eyeball this and hopefully this thing looks okay. I'm just gonna guess where the center is. I feel like usually I'm pretty close. It'll be dandy, I'm sure. What am I even saying? Here goes nothing. I don't even have a hammer. This is like a mallet. It's like, it's not the proper tool to be used. Oh, jeez, Louise. Oh, okay. I need to focus on what I'm doing here. I don't have enough of these picture hanger things, so for my other ones, I'm just gonna do like screws and all. I don't know. Okay. I feel like I'm better with a screw and the drill than one of these bad boys anyway. Alrighty, moment of truth. Oh my gosh, perfect, right? Like so cute. Oh, I love it. I did a great job in the perfect spot. I love that you can like see it behind you. I mean, I guess a little bit in the mirror. I guess when you're in the mirror, you kind of block it. That's just like such a niche thing. When you're in the mirror and you can see like a pretty piece of artwork behind you, it should be over there then, I guess. But I feel like this looks right. Centered above the toilet. All right, I just kind of like eyeball the height. Should it be lower? I guess it's kind of high, but I feel like this is like eye level, so it seems right. It looks good in person, okay? I promise. Okay, then these are the other ones I was saying, you guys. If you saw the other day, maybe I showed in my story. I can't remember if I showed in a vlog, but I found all of these and I liked that they had 3 of them. Thought these shells were like such a cute design, and I got 3 because I figured like 3 in a row on our wall in our bathroom would look really cute. Cross your fingers that it looks good, because just an idea I had in my mind, but I don't know if it'll actually look good there in reality. And maybe we'll get to that later in the next vlog, because I don't know if I have time to do that right now. Just got to the dump.
Ooh,
Doing all the things. You do love the dump. This is Lucy's first time at this dump. It is very organized. It's a way more pleasant experience than I ever thought. And I'm so happy I have Lucy with me, because I was dreading coming by myself, and she helped me like
I broke down
all the cardboard, which I was dreading because Max always does that for me. And I got Lucy.
You gotta get a help.
So we're gonna throw all our cardboard in. Stuff. You guys ever think you were gonna see us here?
Our favorite place.
We did it. That nice lady was helping us too. You guys want to see our haul? Goat cheese, cheddar cheese, chicken breast, literally in my lap, and paper towels. You know, just the essentials. Like an hour away, I'm like, oh, we just need chicken really quick in case I want to make that yummy salad. If you guys saw me post about it on my Instagram, the like harvest bowl type of salad.
I'm so try it.
Because I have all the other ingredients for it. It's gonna be so good. Look at her go. With sneakers on. Brody, are you chewing on my new shoe? Yeah. Brody. Brody, no. You are something else. I'm learning just how dramatic I am. I'm like sweating right now. I've been running around because I put off things like cleaning the toilets. I think it's so gross. It literally just took me maybe 3 minutes to clean all the toilets, maybe 4 minutes. So yeah, if you're putting off something like that, just do it and it's done, because it's embarrassing how quick it is and you like worry about it if you're like me. So yeah, I was thinking about filming, show you guys, look at me cleaning the toilets. Aren't you proud? But I decided to spare you. Kind of gross.
That was serious. I thought you looked good in these bad boys.
The girls are looking through the clothes. Brody's eating. We've been cheeseboarding. Since my friends are here, I'm going to end off this vlog here. Maybe I'll film a little later today, tomorrow, and do like a girls weekend vlog. But so I'm gonna go join the fun. Love you guys so much. Thanks for watching this vlog, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.